Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Hot fire, hot fire. Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Grown, back with another motherfucking vid, bitch. Just wanted to open up the video on some different shit this time, man. I typically do that same candid, rehearsed ass intro, and I just wanted to do something different this video, man. It's about time I start clapping niggas' cheeks around here, man. Niggas ain't respecting my OG status on this sneaker YouTube shit, so I gotta unbox more shit and get my rep up out here, man, because I'm tired of niggas sleeping on me. I dropped a couple early videos, and now I've been getting a lot more hate on the channel, which is unusual because I never get hate comments. Maybe because don't nobody know who the fuck I am, but still, ever since I dropped that He Got Game 13, niggas been trying to clap, so you know I gotta clap back. But before we do anything, guys, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, clickety click that like button, make sure you slap that notification bell, that way you'll be notified every time I drop a new video because I drop consistent content. Shout out to the whole Naughty gang and everybody who pulled the fuck up as soon as I drop this video. Drop gang gang in the comment section, and of course, shout out to the whole Illumination, Team Dark Skin. With that being said, let's get right into this brand new sneaker unboxing. It's the Shoemanati show. Lego. It's grown, bitch. Whoa, okay. So the God is back, man. Brand new sneaker unboxing. These came, of course, courtesy of the plug. He shot these to me, and I thought I'd give you guys a review. Nothing too hyped and crazy, but something I felt was worthy of showing on the channel. I don't really have too many of these sneakers in my playlist on my channel, so I thought I would give them a little more airplay and step outside the norm and do something different, yo. I be unboxing a lot of the same shit. Jordan 1s, Jordan 3s, that same shit, so I wanted to drop something different on the channel. Hopefully you guys will appreciate this as much as you appreciate the Witherspoons and the early shit, the hype shit. Just wanted to give you guys something different. Let's cut this goddamn box up. Let me use these goddamn hands, man, on that Mike Rich, yo. What the fuck you talking about, man? And of course, let's get rid of this, because who gives a fuck about a box? And let's check these out, man. If you know what the box is, boom, you got that crazy Jordan swoosh at the top, and bam, you got a Vapor Max, man. This is the Nike Air Vapor Max Flyknit 2. The official colorway on this is Volt, white, and black, and these are a size 10, and the suggested retail price is $190. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, these are the Volt Vapor Max. Something different, yo. I think these are clean, though. I really like that Volt colorway. Dope. You got that Flyknit upper, so of course it's gonna be very breathable and perfect for running. You got a white swoosh with black on your heel cup with a black pull tab. You got Volt on your upper as well as on your laces, and you got that infamous Nike Vapor Max outsole. I used to always hate that outsole, but it's slowly but surely growing on me, and definitely like these. You got that Volt interior with your black writing, that Vapor Max. These are clean. Let me know in the comment section down below. What do you guys think about these? Do you like these Vapor Max? Do you even own a pair of Vapor Max? I never really owned a lot of Vapor Max in the past. Like, I always hated this sneaker, honestly, but it's growing on me. I think it's clean. I like the new direction that Nike's been going on with the sneakers lately with that Element 87. Nike is just trying to be more competitive now. They seen what Yeezy and Adidas and the whole Boost wave brought, and it made Nike get on their toes again. And that's the #1 thing I'm happy about Adidas's rise. It made Nike more have to work harder, have to try, have to give a damn, because they had got so used to being #1 that there was no competition, so they would just throw us anything. Where I feel like they're really trying a lot more now than they once did. And I think these are dope, man. Let me know down below, what do you guys think about these Vapor Max? And do you own any Vapor Max in your collection? Auto cop for you, automatic pass. I know it was a website a couple days ago that was just doing like crazy steals on Vapor Maxes. It was like selling Vapor Maxes for like $120 and below. It was crazy deals. I'll see if I can find that, and I'll drop the website in the description box down below. But this was the Nike Air Vapor Max Flyknit 2. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that thumbs up on this video, share the video, it's free, it helps the channel out. I've been growing, and I hope I continue to grow. Welcome to all of the new subs and everybody who just got hip to the channel. And if this is one of your first videos watching me, I'm crazy as fuck, and I appreciate you watching. Go hit that playlist up. I'll drop it at the end of the video. A lot of content to share. Get caught up. This is the Shoemanati Show. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Salute to all my day ones and everybody who fuck with me. And salute to everybody who been mobbing with me from jump, man. Shout out to Red Feather Gotti, J Real the MVP, Mr. Skinny, the motherfucking mob, man, Davey McFly, Sniper Jones. Salute to all the real ones who just hold the channel down. And look out for me on that watch time, man. Watch the whole fucking video, yo. The whole video, damn it. But anyway, salute to you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown and I approve this message. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone.
Come on. Hot, sicker than your average. Papa twist cabbage off instinct. Don't think.
Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch.